Hello everyone, Jack here from Gosal's World, and today I am really excited for this unboxing today. And today I got this. Ta-da! The Sega Mega Drive 2. Yes, reason why I want this so badly, well, one thing. I just love playing great Sega games on one here so much. Remember back at the video days, back in the day that I did the Sega Mega Drive Championships video. And if anyone wants to see it, I'll put a link in the description below for that one here to watch the Sega Mega Drive Championships of this year. Also that, you know, I got it from Insomnia 63 Gaming Festival. And if you want to see that video as well, I'll put a second link in the description down below to the next one, to the Mega Drive Championships. Now basically, I got this for £35 for the console, that one here. I'm really super excited about that one here. But that's not all. I got big, great games that one here. So I got 3 games right here. So firstly, I have the Eternal Champions, one here. I got it for just £5. Really good bargain, that one here. I got this game here. That would be Speedball 2 Brutal Deluxe version. That is, I really like that one. And finally, I got the Mega Games 1. And the games as I got that are, we got Super Hang On, WorldCup Italia 90, and that I think would be Columbus, the jewelry bit. So all of this, that one there. So the prices I have. So first one is the Eternal Champions is £5. Speedball 2 £6. And Mega Games 1 £3. With £35 from the console itself, is now the grand total of £49. That is really a fantastic price, that one here. Obviously, I cannot wait to unboxing it right now. So, let's begin. Yeah, take this tape off. Okay. Take it off. Okay, let's get started with the first one. So the first one is of course that the plug itself, that one here. That's why I like that one here. Also, the good news is I got this, the Sega AV cable, that one here. Real important, that one here, that if you guys got a Sony, if you got like a hasty TV on your system, make sure if you got that, if you got a SCART lead with this, that one here, hopefully you could play it on either Samsung TV or anything else device. So nextly, of course, is the controller itself. We'll get it tested. Yep, so it's fine, worked perfectly. And then, lastly but not least, the console itself. I really love that one here. So you can put cartridges down here. On and off button's fine. Reset button is fine as well. Obviously, I cannot wait to get hands started playing in it, guys. One thing, of course, is that I will going to be doing, hopefully, doing the setup to test some games out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit after I've done a little setup and hopefully start playing the games to give a little test run. See you guys in a bit. Welcome back, everyone. As you can see by now, the Sega Mega Drive is now on there. So anyway, we're going to test this out right now. So we're going to see some games. So I'll be fingers crossed for how it works. So the first one we have the Eternal Champions. So let's fingers crossed for luck. Yes! It does work! Oh my goodness, yes! Oh my goodness, guys, you gotta love Eternal Champions. Oh, yes. So, my goodness, that is amazingly. Oh, great. Okay. So, that's the Eternal Champions working. So, that is good news. Let's move on to the next game. And I'm going to go with the Mega Games 1. So let's hope that also works as well. Okay, we got loading screens fine. Ah, it does, okay. Let's start with WorldCup Italia. Okay. I'm gonna pick my old favorite England. Throw in here. Hooray. Controller. And Kane, no one here. Time to load up monsters, so hopefully the gameplay works, so hopefully we're good to go. Okay. And it does! Oh my goodness! So it does work for one here. Alright, okay, so that's one of the three. Let's go with Columbus one here, the puzzle game. Yep, okay, that works as well. Yes. We gotta love the puzzle game, guys, that one here. Really, really brilliant. Yes, okay, so that's 2 out of 3. Okay, let's see for Super Hang On game. Okay. I'm gonna play this song. Oh, I miss the old good music, guys. I really do miss it. But my God. Oh. Oh my goodness, I love it. The boost still works. Yes, so all 3 games in one coverage work. So that is fantastically. Now we get down to the very last one, and that will be, of course, Speedball 2. Keep fingers crossed, you guys. Here we go. The Sega logo, okay. Got the logo, Virgin Games. It does work as well! Wow! Let's get the play again.
Get ready!
Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh wow! Oh my goodness! It all works! Yes! Wow! I gotta say, fantastically, the console works perfectly fine. The games, of course, that one here as well. Oh my goodness, this is what I'm waiting for, but I love it. So, I really hope you enjoy the unboxing of Sega Mega Drive 2 with a test run of the games. So I cannot wait to start training for next year's Sega Mega Drive Championships with a good friends of mine. And also, like I said, remember, I will put the link in the description for the Sega Mega Drive Championships, that one here, along with Insomnia 63 Gaming Festival. And remember, give it a big like for the video. Give us a comments on your thoughts of what's your favorite game on a Sega Mega Drive of all your favorite years. And don't forget to click punch the subscribe button. Till then, this is Jack here. See you later!